If you want to build AI in Python, you don't need to learn everything. You just need to learn these 5 libraries. I'm going to show you exactly what each one does, what problem it solves, and most importantly, which order to learn them in. Because if you jump straight into PyTorch without knowing NumPy, you're going to have a bad time. Let's get right into it. First, we have NumPy. Every AI library you ever will use is built on top of it. Every single one. So what does it do? NumPy lets Python work with arrays. Those are grids of numbers, and they work with it super efficiently. Your images, datasets, and neural networks are all built on top of arrays. So they're extremely important to know. But the problem here is that Python is actually really slow with this, but NumPy solves this problem by using C instead of Python. You can still code in Python using it, so you get an extremely fast library while still coding in Python. Next, we have the premier data science library, Pandas. This is super important because data is very important. Not only that, you need to clean, explore, and configure your data in order to make it good and train your model on it. Pandas lets you do this all in Python extremely easily and simply. It's very important for you to know this so you can actually set up your data to train your model. Moving on, we have Matplotlib. This is a nice library that lets you plot and visualize your data, which is pretty important in machine learning. But next, we have the most important thing, which are deep learning libraries. These are the libraries where you can actually create and train your model. But there's 2 major ones, but I'm going to be honest here, in 2026, PyTorch is the better one. It's better for learning, research, and development, and it's becoming increasingly more used compared to TensorFlow. Also, it's extremely simple and easy to use. And while TensorFlow is still really popular, it's not going anywhere. If you're starting deep learning today, start with PyTorch. So to recap, here's the order I'd learn. NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, and then PyTorch or TensorFlow, but I prefer PyTorch. And finally, don't try to learn all these at once. Start with NumPy or Pandas and actually get a good grasp of them before moving on. So those are all the libraries you need to get started in AI ML today. So good luck on your ML journey. I'll see you in the next one. Be sure to like and subscribe.